Hey everybody, I just wanted to hop on here and wish you all a happy new year. If you're feeling discouraged, not having a lot of energy and momentum to get those resolutions going, please give yourself some grace because, believe it or not, this is not the new year. The new year does not start in the dead of winter. So it starts actually during the springtime. That is when rebirth occurs. I mean, just look at nature. That is when things sprout up. That's when flowers bloom. That is the time, according to nature, and as we are a part of nature and that energetic connection. Yes, work on your goals right now. Work on realigning what is important to you, what is not important to you, what to focus on. It's a great time to redo things as we're in Mercury retrograde. That is a good time for planning, going inward, and just sitting with yourself and seeing what it is that you really want in your life, what you want to attract. Please, give yourself grace. Give yourself space to just be. This is a good time to just hibernate, sleep as much as you can, as your schedule allows, meditate. Good practices like yin yoga. It's not a good time to go on a juice cleanse. Oh, it's the worst time to do that. In the winter, you want to eat warm foods. If you want to eat more clean, that's perfectly fine, but please cook your foods. Root veggies are really nourishing during the winter, as are broths. If you don't do bone broths, you can do like a veggie broth. So, anyways, much love to you all. I hope you're doing well, and I wish you all a happy and healthy year.